So, good morning guys! Welcome to my vlog again. So, the weather here is gloomy day. Gloomy day today. Look at our surroundings. It's clean because I clean it earlier. This is my simple house. And as you all know guys, I get my salary here in YouTube, and the first thing I bought is this window. Sliding window. This is really good. I got my window here. First goal. I have four windows, so one down. So I need three more. So this is the surroundings. Maulan. Kagabi is umulan ng malakas at ngayon ay uulan na naman. So ayan. Let's go here in the kitchen. So ito pa yung mga bintana, the window that I need to put a sliding window. 1 and 2. Tsaka nandun pa sa loob. Ayun. Yan. So I need 3 more sliding window. So it will be nice here in our house. Okay, look at this. This is just a bamboo. So ayan. Kailangan ko magsipag. I need to work hard. I get my water here because I'm going to take a shower after I'm done with doing some videos. So ngayon, yun ang weather namin today. It's gloomy day. But that's fine. We're done going to school since today is Nathalia's evaluation day. So she's done with it. So yeah, we're here for the rest of the day. So let's go here inside. I already cleaned our kitchen. Our new carpet here in the kitchen. So yeah, I just I buy eggs. Eggs kay we go to the market early in the morning. So I just buy an egg here since I'm eating only egg for breakfast, and what do you call it? Garlic, but onions and tomato. This is pang sahog ko yan mamaya sa munggong lulutuin ko. So ayan. After namin sa school is dumiretso ako dito sa bahay para maglinis. Kasi umalis ako ng bahay na makalat yung bahay namin. So pagdating namin dito is naglinis ako kaagad. Yeah. It's really peacefully to see. Peacefully to see. So ito pala yung lulutuin ko mamaya. This is munggo. Binabad ko siya sa tubig para mamaya madali na siyang malalaga. So ayan. I'm going to cook it later. So let's go to the inside of the house. So we have here the TV. We're watching it every night. So this is what it looks like when I'm here inside the house. Our window is here. They can't see us here inside the house, but we can see them. Naiintindihan nyo ba? Hello! I'm going to take shower later, so ayan. So ayan lang ang video ko ngayon. Mamaya ulit. This is my simple home. Look at my wallpaper. It's crazy. Sira na siya. Nasinira siya ng mga kids. The kids destroy it. So, yeah. May gagawin pa pala ako later. Magtutupi ng mga damit na nilabahan ko. So, yeah. I prepare the ingredients for the munggo that I'm cooking. And, nilalaga ko na rin yung munggo. So, it will be, masarap. Kaya, ayan. Si Nathaniel ang magluluto ngayon ng munggo. Look at that bubbles sa inside. So, ayan. And, it rained earlier. Our cook for today, Nathaniel Zarda. Balay ka. There, yung video. For the munggo. We're going to put a chicken broth cube. So this will be yummy. And magic sarap. Sige na, butang na ito. Special pork chicharon. Yeah. Okay, see. Try ito. Oh. We forgot the malunggay leaves vegetable, but it's fine. It's still gonna be yummy. Salt. Pinamkamot. And salt. Look at that. Nasira siya kasi mainit. Kamu ini itong pag-add na ito dahil kaya may ito po uwan. Nathaniel's recipe of vegetable munggo. At munggot English. Mungguloid. Munggo. Like beans. Kay kunit ko anan.
Black beans.
No? Black beans.
Brown beans.
Green beans. Green peas. So he put the ingredients that he gisa. And yeah. Adi pa dayan ko on. Oh, looks yummy. With pork chicharon. Look everyone, let's eat. Adi naman This is for dinner, guys. Let's eat. Thank you so much for joining. See you again on my next vlog. Bye, be kind.